What's up, guys? Quick video how to get your alpha Wi-Fi adapter running on a Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 system. First thing you'll notice once you download the drivers is that the latest drivers are for Windows 7 and they do not support this operating system. So we're just going to click OK, and we're going to open our folder that we downloaded with the setup file and drivers in it. We're going to navigate to this RTL8187 folder. This is the folder with the drivers in them. And we're going to load these drivers through the device manager. Now to get to the device manager, we're going to go to, there's a few ways. You can right click on this PC, properties. On the left here, device manager, click on that. Now you'll see here a list of all the devices connected to your computer. Now usually when there's a device connected without the drivers installed, you'll see it under other devices. We're just going to right click on this. We're going to hit update driver software. Click browse my computer for driver software. Include subfolders, and we're going to browse to that folder that we were in earlier. Mine's on my desktop, RTL8187. Now I'm on an x64 system, so I'm going to click on this one, hit OK, hit next. So you can see here it finished installing the driver, and it's now one of our network adapters. And let's see here. Yeah, I see how we have two Wi-Fi adapters. We can go into our network now and disable our integrated adapter and rename our new one. You see we have our Realtek RTL8187. We'll rename that so we can identify it. And I'm just going to disable my old one here by right clicking and hitting disable because it sucks. Alright, we have our alpha installed and connected, and as you can see here, it's detecting networks and it's got pretty good signal strength. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.